Looks like it left rust on my paint. Oh no. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is kind of a sad moment, but kind of a good moment too, because there's going to be a change, a good change. The Subi is not going to look like this anymore. Duckbill is coming off, and also, if you guys haven't seen the video, I just put new Spec D taillights in to the car, which look fantastic. I'll link that right up in the corner, and you guys can watch that video if you want to. I need to go ahead and try to pull off that spoiler. It's just 3M taped, but hopefully it doesn't rip my paint off also. It's been on there for like a year, so I don't know. Let's jump into this. I'm kind of in a hurry because I have to go meet up with the new buyer that's buying that, and then probably in a few weeks the new part will come. So yeah, let's get this spoiler off and then throw the small little factory one back on. I don't know if it's gonna actually come off very easily, so I guess I'm just gonna try to pull on it, and hopefully enough force will pull it off. If not, I don't know. Let's try it out. I don't know, this thing is on there, man. Like, it definitely was never gonna come off like driving, that's for damn sure. I don't know, I got 3M tape like all around this thing on the inside of it and everything too, so I don't know, I guess I'm gonna just keep on pulling on it. Yeah. I got it, guys. I freaking got it. It looks so naked. Damn. That is dirty. Now I have to get all that crap off and stuff too. It looks like where these holes were. Set this in the grass. It looks like where these holes were, to where actually you could actually bolt it up. It looks like it left rust on my paint. Oh no. Hopefully that'll come off. I don't know. That's not good. Okay, let's get this detailer stuff and see if we can wipe this stuff off. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't seem very good. And this stuff is going to be a freaking pain. Like, I get it to start pulling off, and then it rips and breaks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on dealing with this stuff first. Get all of this stuff off, all the way across. And then I'll spray all kinds of instant detailer all over this trunk, saturate it, and hopefully a lot of this stuff will come off. I think like I could probably like buff it out though, like these spots, if there's still residue behind it, hopefully. I'm getting there, guys. Almost there. Guys, just stuff like this I'm doing for you guys. Well, I mean, I'm doing it for me, but for content. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Also, hit that freaking like button. This stuff right here, though, is a pain. A big, big, big pain. All right, let's see if this stuff is gonna come off. I don't know. Possibly even repainted. Alright, so like this is pretty much like how it turned out. I don't know, I think it might have to be repainted. It's like where the bolt holes were rusted. I'm gonna use some wheel cleaner, stuff that has like deionizes and turns it like purple. I mean, it's try spraying this stuff on it. It's instantly turning purple. Hoping that this might take it out. Alright, let's wipe it off and see if it did anything. It took that spot out. I don't know about these ones though. Those ones are deep. Yeah. Still a pretty big spot. It does look a lot better than it did. But so yeah, I guess if you ended up using like one of these big duckbill spoilers, make sure you like tape off the holes where the bolts would actually sit as well, because they're gonna rust on you. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on working on that for a little bit longer. I'm gonna spray a little bit more wheel cleaner on it. It took a lot of it away. Let's try to get as much as possible, and then throw the other one back on, the stock little one, and then I'm gonna take this spoiler down there. I still gotta clean the bottom of it off and stuff like that. Get all the rest of the tape and stuff off, and the glue residue. And then I gotta take it to the new owner, and then yeah, hopefully I can get that one cleaned up a little bit more. I honestly, I care, but I don't care, because there's gonna be new stuff, if that makes sense. I don't know. I think it's a good hint. The trunk won't be there anymore. I found it. Yeah. Alrighty, so this is the best that I could get it, which is a lot better than it was before. They're just really, really deep. I feel like even maybe clay bar might take it off, because it's like right on the top of the surface. Or I might have to wet sand it and then rebuff it and stuff like that. But I don't have any of that stuff here, so I'm gonna end up having to take it over to Vince's house and see if he has like a cutting pad, see if that'll just take it out and then rebuff it, or if we have to wet sand it and try to get the rest of that stuff out. But it doesn't look horrible with those two spots on it, and then there's like a little faint spot right there, but yeah. Okay. Alright. Well, crap. I gotta get a freaking flathead. I need to take all this stuff off so that I can bolt this other little spoiler back on. Man, that looks freaking weird. Well, duckbill is off, guys, and that thing looks so weird. It's, I don't know, it's different. Being like big wing, I guess, for so long, it's weird just being so naked. But this is the best that I could get those spots to turn out to be, like I was showing before. And then I went back through and I wiped everything back down with instant detailer and stuff, got all that tire iron remover stuff off. It helped out a lot. I just feel like it needs quite a bit more, or some wet sanding. So yeah, I mean, it was fun while it lasted. It's just I want something new. Some carbon fiber is coming soon, I'll say that. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. I know that it wasn't like too like super crazy, but it's a big change for the car. If you've been following the channel for a while, for at least over the past year, that duckbill has been on there for so long that it's just kind of been iconic for my car. So the next step will be pretty awesome. So I think you guys will like it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, keep it random. Peace.